Hello everyone. Welcome to my English learning channel. Today we are going to learn talking about self. After this lesson, students are expected to be able to using English to communicate about yourself, demonstrate polite, caring, and confident behavior, identifying social functions, text structures, and linguistic elements, responding to the meaning of oral and written identity presentation texts, compiling simple oral and written texts about self-identity presentation. Let's get started. Try to remember the following vocabulary in your own language, and keep in mind, listen up, how to pronunciation those vocabularies. And repeat after me. Pen pal. Sound. Run. Into. Attend. Distant. Commuter train. Magnificent. Mother tongue. Half-sister or brother. After that, when you have time, try to practice those vocabulary by yourself over and over again. Read the text carefully. Your teacher will identify you as A or B students. Identified as A, read text 1. Students identified as B, read text 2. Text 1. Text 2. After reading the text in the chart below, identify the main ideas of the paragraphs, and then write the most important details in your own words. Students identified as A refer to text 1. Students identified as B refer to text 2. Fill in the following chart according to the existing examples for each paragraph. Work in pairs. If you have read text 1, refer to questions 2. If you have read text 2, refer to questions 1. Read the questions for your partner to answer. Questions 1. Questions 2. Complete the following sentences using the words in the box. Remember to use the correct forms of verbs. Individually, complete the following chart to find out the structure of the email or the letter above, depending on which text you have read. Work in pairs, students A and B, to discuss the text structure and then share this with the class. Use the following prompts to help. Study the following pairs of sentences to identify the use of be, am, is, are, and have, has. Do you notice the differences? After observing the above examples, do you know how to decide whether to use am, is, are, or have, has? Is it because the subjects are singular or plural? Do you also know when to use have, has instead of am, is, are? Is it because the sentences have complements? Is it because the sentences have objects? Complete the sentences with be or have. Remember to use the correct forms. Now, imagine that you're invited to the party. Think about a new identity that you have. Then, talk to the other guests and introduce yourself. Tell about your family, your profession, and your hobbies. Answer the following questions. Imagine you are being asked by another guest, and I want you to answer all the questions with an audio recording. This is the question. When you are going to do your speaking practice, please make audio recording the question first, and then read the answer one to another. Imagine that you're Aaliyah. Write an email or a letter responding to the email or letter you've read and discussed. Use the following questions to guide you. At the end of this chapter, ask yourself the following questions to know how effective your learning process is. See you in the next video.